Hello everyone, my name is Mila Filipof and I'm excited to present our paper on behalf of my colleagues at the University of Michigan. Social networks have the capability to shape both digital literacy skills and our relationships with technology. In general, access to peer or social networks provides access to new information, resources, and even digital infrastructure. Our networks could influence, motivate, or demotivate whether we learn, adopt, or resist new technologies, influencing our level of individual digital capacity. Despite the potential for our social networks to influence our digital literacy, to our knowledge, there is no explicit measure that captures this factor. To fill this gap, we propose a measure of collective digital capacity, which derives from prior HCI, digital divide, and sociology research. We developed a digital literacy measure that takes into account community perspective and then assessed its validity. This is designed to enable researchers and practitioners to evaluate individuals' access to shared digital resources and activities. Here you can see the steps we took to create our survey and validate our analysis. Please refer to the paper for more detail. For the sake of time, I will be emphasizing our results in step 4 on the next slide. Through exploratory factor analysis, we uncovered the multidimensionality of digital literacy that captures the aspects of community digital capacity. In this late-breaking work, we focused on 2 main factors. The first of which was individual digital capacity, which can be seen on the x-axis of this graph. We noted this factor as the dominant one, as all items loaded concordantly. This factor captured overall capacity, encompassing greater skills, more social support, and better access to infrastructure. It is important to note that although all items loaded positively on the dominant factor, the strengths of these loadings varied. Next, we turn to the second factor, social digital capacity, which can be seen on the y-axis of the graph. This factor indicated social support and skills associated with workplace computing. It is also important to note that positive and negative loadings occurred for this second factor. After the exploratory factor analysis, we excluded one infrastructure-related question that did not load, which left us with a total of 3 infrastructure questions, which can be seen in blue on the graph. We had some confirmation of the measure's validity and internal consistency. Again, you can refer to the paper and the slide for more detail regarding this. This research revealed that community perspective on digital literacy could provide a more accurate understanding of the digital capabilities and gaps of under-resourced populations, more likely to rely on social support to bridge gaps in basic resources. Future work should aim to address other public housing communities, cities, and rural areas in the U.S., alongside wider demographic groups to ensure more comprehensive results and further confirm our factor analysis. Thank you for listening today, and please check out our paper to see the entirety of our question set.